sa nakahit ng iPad and MacBook. Ang galing naman ng taong to, no? So, kung napakinggan niyo yung mga resulta niya, pakikinggan or pakikinggan? I believe pakinggan po natin isa. Okay? So, without further ado, let's all welcome Mentor Jello. Hello, man.
Hello, hello, hello.
Amazing morning.
Amazing morning, guys. So, kumusta naman po kayo? How's your evening? Kumain na po kayo? So, share ko lang, I'm still a student pa rin, ha?
Student ka pa rin.
Yeah, I'm still a student. I'm from Lasal. So, ID number ko 124. Yun yung 2024 ako, nag-aaral ako sa Lasal. Tanggalin ko to. Yan. So, most definitely lang yung background ko. Yan, off ko lang. Yun. Alright. So, basically, yun nga, that was right. So, when I hit the first Sapphire naman, I was like, first months of doing the business. So, first month, I hit the 300K agad. Binawi ko na. Inutang ko lang yung, yung dad ko ng 100K. So, nag-jade na ako agad. Then, bumalik naman yung pera agad. Alright? Then, after 1 year of doing the business, finally got my house. So, it's in Naik. It's in Cavite. So it's kind of near in the Nike and Bataan Bridge, yung link. So, yung kagandahan doon, there's like near airports doon, future developments, and yun rin, it might be the next big thing. Alright? So, I'll just share lang. Okay lang mag-share screen yan. Yan, ano na lang.
Okay, try mo, man. Try mo naman mag-share. Ayaw?
Yan,
Ayan, nako-host kami. Hindi siya maka-unmute.
Yan,
naka-unmute.
hello. Yan. Di ako maka-unmute. Okay. Sige. So, yun lang. So, second year, ako, student. Yan. Actually, first, tama, no? Nasa MVP po kayo, no?
Yes,
Right?
man.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yun, actually, quick sharing ko lang rin. Nung nasa Las Piñas rin ako, nakausap ko rin si Mentor Precious rin, no, one-on-one din ako nun eh. Lahat sila MVP, pero they're all good. Parang nag-link up na. Very close ko sila, Mentor Jerly, Mentor Shane, kasi I'm from Las Piñas. So, ayun, medyo mo bumibiyahe ako from Lasal. Yan, okay? Oh no, wait lang. Yan, okay? So, yun lang. Alright, so I'm just gonna share my screen. Okay?
Go,
So,
man.
okay lang, pa-type nyo po muna ano yung mga ages nyo po. Yan. Mga age. Gusto ko malaman yung mga age nyo po. Yung mga yan, 22. Alright? We have 22 years old. 23, okay, mga yapa, 21, 24. Yung mga feeling yep, yan. Minus na lang. I-minus nyo na lang. Yung mga feeling yep, yan. Yan, 14. Uy, bata. Totoo ba yan? May 14 years old dito? Totoo ba yan? May 14 years old tayo? Do
Yes,
you have a 14?
yes.
Okay. Actually, the one I teach rin also are yung pinaka-youngest ko, 14 years old din. Yan, may 26 tayo. Yan. May umamin na rin. Pero medyo bata pa. Yan. Okay, sige. So, I'm gonna share my screen. Alright, so share ko lang. Medyo konyo lang ako. So, sorry for that in advance. Alright. So, I'm still a student from Lasal. Yan. So, ito yung ginagawa ko. So, I'm taking BS Entrepreneurship and, yeah, parang bata lang and ginagawa ko tong business na to while I'm doing school. Alright? So, before that also, naging dancer din ako. Tanong ko naman po sa inyo, sino dito yung mga dancers na, sino dito yung mga sumasayaw? Yan, sumasayaw po ba kayo? Sumasayaw? Yung feeling sumasayaw, yung mga nagti-TikTok lang. Yan, yung mga sino dito mahilig sa TikTok. Yan, type 1 kung mahilig kayo sa TikTok. Type 1, si Menche. Yan, mga dancers. Gumaganon. Eh, do, scroll lang, mens. Scroll lang. Okay? Yan. So, I used to be a dancer. Ngayon, nung naging dancer na ako, I realized that it's kind of hard to do dancing, or especially the passion that you want. Kasi, ang dancing kasi alam natin, it's not sustainable as for income, but rather in business sustainable. And makita mo in the Philippines, ang pinakamayaman dito are businessmen. Right? So yun yung gusto ko. Malaki yung vision ko eh. Hindi pa pwede na small steps lang kailangan ko i-take. We need to have big steps. Okay? So, nag-switch ako, nag-isip ako, and especially dahil din dito sa dancing, it build up my confidence. And dahil doon, naging real estate agent din ako. And yung kagandahan dito, in realty, nakabenta na ako around 20 million. Okay? So, in realty, syempre, it's all about sales and to have a nice network. And dahil din dito, I really want to have a nice network. So, dun ko nakita si IM. Alright? So, dun ko nakita sa IM. In-invite lang ako. Wanted to know the business opportunity. Sige, sumama na lang ako. Nakita ko, oy, nasa tapat ko may Mustang. Grabe, tinanong ko, paano yon? 2 years niya lang yun ginawa. And former siya Jollibee crew. If you guys know, Kevin Arias. So, ayun nun, nung nakilala ko pa siya. Yep pa siya nun. Okay? So, ako rin, by that age, I was around 19. So, as of the moment ngayon, I'm 20 years old. So, imagine nyo, 19. No, grabe na, 20 million sales, may bahay na, no? Hindi naman. So, it all comes with hard work. Alright? So, alam natin, delayed gratification tayo. Alright? So, sobrang sipag ako. No, I already did modeling din also. Yan. Nagmo-model rin ako. Sali-sali rin ako sa ganyan just to gain more network. Ngayon, nung nag-start ako ng business, nagbenta utang sanla ako. So, that's what I did. And marami na rin ako tinulungan. No? So, basically, yung team ko is called The Movement. And yun yung nagawa ko. Marami na akong tinulungan na. So, mga kids. So, eto, pinaka-youngest ko, 13 years old. Yung 14 years old rin, no, lang siya, na platinum rin. Marami na rin tinulungan. So, imagine mo, you know. So, sa Team Achilles naman to, it's basically Team Titans. Yan, then, habang nag-aaral, nakabenta ako, marami na ako tinulungan, stuff like that. And this is my first check. And yung kagandahan dito, I also have my mom with her first check.
Hello, my name
Yan, so skip ko lang
is
to.
signing and she's getting the check.
Wow! Ang laki!
Yan, so skip ko lang to.
183,000.
Yan.
Maagang pamasko.
Yan, alright. So, tinulungan ko lang po siya. So, if you want to know more, DM me.
Yan, and then, I also help my mom have her first van. So, car achiever din mom ko. Pero I did all of the work. Diba? So, I could consider myself as I'm the car achiever rin. Pero, okay lang. Goal ko naman is the sports car naman. So, I hope this year ko naman ito. Yan. So, yun yan. Ginawa namin tong business na rin also. And yun, mom ko rin naging suffer rin. So, tinulungan ko siya. Yung kagandahan dito, I also help my dad. No, I gave my dad 50K on his birthday. And especially, hindi lang yun house lang. I also got my first franchise rin. So, if you guys heard about Carrot Fries, so yun yun. Pag na-search nyo sa TikTok, Carrot Fries, rin ako, I also own a franchise in Novaliches. And we have one in Las Piñas. So, yun. Huwag na kayo mag-potato corner, carrot fries na lang. Healthy. Okay, plug lang. And ito yung house. It's a 3-bedroom house with a garage. So, it's 80 square meters siya. Yung kagandahan dito, it's very near with future developments din also. And yun lang, ang ganda dito, it's a 3.5 million house. Yun. Okay, so gulat ako, by the age of 20, may ano na ako, may house na ako. And yun yung kagandahan dito, within just 1 year. And thank you, Lord. Alright, so ito yung mga ano ko, mga checks ko, 20,000, 50,000, 233,000. And yun na, yun. So, and yun yung kagandahan na nakita ko sa IM na, you know, na kahit ano, pwede mong i-venture out to do more, to strive for more. And yun, that's all about me. And siguro what I could share sa inyo guys is ano ba? Siguro pinaka-important to guys, since you guys are students, how could you guys invite mga students rin? Is it okay if I could share that sa inyo? Yun ba? Okay, sige. So, how could I do things? I don't have a proper presentation, pero I want you guys to take note. Gusto ko through sulat na lang. Okay? Gusto ko malaman nyo na lang. Okay, so paano yun? Sige, tanong, sino dito yung nag-aaral pa? Yan. I mean, lahat tayo nag-aaral. Sino yung nag-school? Yan yung gusto ko malaman. Yan, Carl, Justin Gonzalez. Okay, sige. Is it okay if I could interview you guys? Tanong ko lang, para just to get to know you. So, sige, unahin ko muna si Carl. So, Carl, kamusta ka? I think kailangan niyo ng permission. Si Carl. Ask to unmute yun. Hello? Hindi ka rinig, Carl.
Hello po.
Yeah. Yan, Mentor Carl, kamusta?
Yeah.
Mens, ah, ah, amazing morning po. Graduating student po.
From what school?
Okay naman po, Mens. Actually, internship po. Bali, nakilala ko po si IAM dahil nag-internship po ako mismo kay Mentor Sheila.
Sheila, okay. Sige, may I ask, no, what school?
University of Makati po, Mens.
So taga Makati ka? Are you from Makati?
Yes po.
Okay. So malapit sa'yo, Poblacion.
Apo.
Ano yan? Huli ka.
Malapit po, Mens, actually.
Huli ka talaga. Dumadayo din ako sa Poblacion. So, I'm actually an MC rin. So, sa Poblacion, so I usually host events there. Minsan nagpo-party din ako doon. Before. Pero soon, magkakaroon na ako events there. So, share ko lang, no? I have 5 businesses na dahil lang sa IM. Dami na rin ako naging cash flow. Imagine nyo guys, monthly ko na-earn ko 50 to 80K a month. Alright? So, yun na-earn ko. Okay? So, by just doing hard work. Okay. Sige. I'll be doing a live present to para workshop siya. I want this to be a workshop. Yung magle-learn kayo, I want application. Okay ba yun para sa inyo? Para ma-apply nyo. Kasi, the way I learn is through application. Hindi ako basta learn through learning lang. Dapat gawin talaga, 'di ba? Sabi nga ng iba is that knowledge is power. Pero para sa akin, applied knowledge is true power. Applied knowledge yung talagang pinaka-powerful talaga. Okay? Sige, you're from Makati. Sige. Then I want to ask Cedric's.
Yes, boss.
Yan. Sige, nag-aaral ka?
Yes. Ano po? Fourth year architecture student po.
That pala, ikaw na nagpagawa ng bahay ko, boss. No, sige. Anong school mo?
PIP.
PAP. Saan yun? PAP. Is it TAF? Nasa TAF ba yan?
Oo, nasa top. Near.
Near lang tayo. Near lang tayo, no? From Lasal. Is it near from Lasal?
Medyo malapit-lapit din.
Okay. Anong station yan?
Not sure. Ano ko eh. Bandang SM ata. Hindi ko lang sure kung top siya. Pero ano siya, near Quiapo pala.
Near Quiapo. Espanya.
Oo. Yes.
Sky J. Nagsa-Sky J ka?
Hindi.
No, mag-Sky J tayo, boss. Okay, sorry. Sky J, yung bilyaran yon. So, minsan pumunta ako doon to play billiards, no? Syempre, mga bata tayo eh. Diba? Sige, okay. So, your architecture PAP. Okay. Okay, nice meeting you, Cedrics. Si Leo naman, I'm very, want to know with Leo. Kasi you're 14 eh. Ako, nung 14 ako, ang ginagawa ko, lalaro lang eh. Sige nga, Leo, I want to know yours.
Hello po.
Hello. Yan, kamusta? How's your school?
Okay naman po.
Mhm.
Mag-graduate na po ako this year.
Wow, congrats. Sige. So, you're basically grade 10.
Mag-grade 9 pa lang po.
Grade 9. Wow, congrats. Sige. So, what's your, parang, let's say, pag grade 11 and 12, anong strand mo?
Ano po?
ABM, STEM, VT, may VTL ba yun?
Mag-STEM po siya.
STEM. Then, ano yung course na kukunin mo in college?
Criminology po. Or
Okay. Sige, Daniel, ikaw, are you student, Daniel? Hindi. Hello? Sino pa student pa dito? Wait, type ko. Leo. Sino pa yung student pa dito? Ikaw, you're still a student. I don't know how to. Zaira?
Yes, ma'am, Syra.
Yes po, Zaira.
Yun, okay, sige.
Graduating din po and same school kay Men's Carl sa UMAC din po.
Ay, naglag ako. Hello, same school kay?
Ay, kay Men's Carl po. Sa UMAC din po.
Carl. Where's...
Yes.
Okay.
Si CJ.
Okay, sige. Anong course?
Ayan, BS Psych po.
So marunong ka magbasa. Nako, delikado ako dito ah. Okay, sige, marunong magbasa ng tao, yan. Yan, si Daniel, naman. Yan, I ask for you to unmute. Si Daniel naman. Daniel? Yan.
Good morning, Mans.
Busy morning.
I'm taking financial management, also fourth year, and in University of Makati as well.
Oh, same lang kayo. So, schoolmates
Yeah.
pala kayo. Wow. Anong course? Financial?
Financial management.
Oh, okay, sige. Okay, yun na ba yung mga students dito? Okay, sige. Alright? So, ngayon, I'm gonna show you siguro a framework here. So, when inviting kasi, especially, dapat hindi forceful. Dapat, hindi siya pilit, hindi halata siyang, dapat natural siya. Okay? So, first, paano siya magiging natural? Okay? So, tanong naman guys, no? Can you guys type, ano yung napopost nyo sa Facebook? 1 for barley and then 2 opportunity. Ano mostly nyo pinopost? 1 barley or 2 opportunity? May I ask? Type 2 or press 1? Press 1 or press 2? Ano yung pinopost nyo usually sa Facebook nyo? 2, okay? 1, okay? 1 barley. Okay. Puro barley, okay. Okay. Nakita ko puro barley. Alright. Yan, magkasama pala kayo. Nasaan kayo? GGS? Nasa GGS ba kayo?
Wala po, men. Sa house po sa ano po namin. House.
Magpinsan po kami, mens. Pumunta po ako dito.
Magpinsan pala kayo.
Mag-GGS pa lang.
Mag-GGS pa lang. Yan, sino dito mga taga-GGS? Ayan, okay. Sige, masipag yan. Iba talaga pag nasa GGS kayo. I stayed there for a week. I stayed there for a week. Pero, alright.
Mans, dati akong laking GGS ako. Pero
Okay.
ngayon, nasa Antipolo na ako.
Nasa Antipolo ka. Okay. Antips. Okay. City Lights. Ayan. Okay. Okay. So here. When guys student kasi, usually, ginagawa ko to invite them for a presentation or invite them sa office. Okay? Dalawa yon. when we're inviting them for a business presentation, never say I am. Alright? I-curious out nyo lang siya. I-curious out nyo lang siya. Never say I am. Oh, you can say I am pag nasa presentation na. Pero ako, ginagawa ko, I usually, tinatago ko muna. Why? It's correlated to networking na. Alam natin, in the mind of people, when they hear networking, wala na. Okay? Kumbaga, ano na yan? Matitrigger na. Wala, yoko yan, pag ganyan. So, when I introduce it, bro, I got a business presentation. Okay lang meron kasi business presentation, okay lang mag-practice lang tayo. Ganon, in isang way. Practice. Lang, practice ko sa yung business presentation ko. Then, if ever, baka gusto mo maging business partner ko, okay lang ba yun para sa'yo? Sige, go lang. 'Di ba? So, hindi mo siya pinipilit or what. Or kung nga ganito, meron ako business presentation and gusto ko lang i-share. Baka may kakilala ka. Okay lang kung share ko lang sa'yo. Pang practice lang. Then, baka may kakilala ka. Don't worry. No commitments. Yan, ganun. No, at least, din sila napipilitan. Ano yung parang words na parang trigger points? Kung nga ganito, bro, meron ako IM presentation. IM presentation, yung IM, yung barley. I'm not sure with that. Usually, ganyan yung mga reactions. And yun yung naging ginawa ko. Kaya ang rami kong talks. Imagine mo, mga talks ko umabot to 400 talks all throughout my life. Imagine mo, dahil lang sa pag-invite ko, tomorrow I have 6 talks. 6 talks. Alright? Dahil dyan sa ginagawa ko, I use curiosity as my tool and as my leverage. And I build curiosity all throughout my life. Kumbaga, nagpo-post lang ako ng income. I don't say, I am this, I am that. I'm not against I am. It's just, syempre, I'm a student. Very delikado para sa akin. Especially from LaSalle. Pag na-freedom wall ako, nako, iiwasan ako ng tao eh. Di ba? Pag na-freedom wall kayo, iiwasan kayo ng tao. Si Jello, nag-spread ng ng networking. Delikado ako. So, ganun yung tinatago ko. Alright? So, ngayon, ganun lang. The way I talk, ganun, tapos na. That's how you invite. Okay ba yan? That's number 1 for business presentation. Isang pag-invite ko, bro, tagasan ka? You're from Makati, di ba? Naghahanap ako ng business partner dyan sa Makati, sakto. Baka may kakilala ka. Ganun. Ano, tatanong nila. Usually, ito second tagasan ka method or business expansion method. Ginagawa ko, tagasan ka. Tagasan ka. Oh, really? You're from Makati? Actually, naghahanap ako ng business partner dyan sa Makati. Do you know someone? May ba kayong kakilala? Yung ginagawa ko. Then when they sige, anong business yan, bro? Sige, pag-usapan na lang natin yan. Yun, pag-usapan na lang natin yan. Okay? Para, curiosity lang, curiosity. Okay? Siyempre mga students yan eh. Okay? Okay ba yan? Gets na yan? Two na inviting scripts? Sige. Yung dito naman, if ever, nagdadala ba kayo ng madalas ba kayo sa office? Question, yung mga students here? Hindi masyado. Si Daniel. Sino dito yung parang Unity Day? Sino dito nag-Unity Day? Ayun, sakto pag Unity Day. Ako, usually nasa Unity Day ako. This week, nasa Unity Day ako. This week, nasa Unity Day ba kayo?
Yes,
Hindi.
ma'am.
Okay? Sino pa dito? Si Daniel, Cedric, nasa Unity Day ba kayo? Kasi andun ako eh. Ang dami kong dala na students. Yun.
Nakita
Sakto.
ko, friends.
Yun. Ang dami kong dala, no?
Yes.
Diba? Dami akong dala. That's how I present. Ngayon, mapo-pull off nyo to if you guys have a car. Alright? Kasi ako ginagawa ko, guys, bro, sama kayo sa ano ko. May event ako, sama kayo. Ganyan ginagawa ko. May event ako and papakilala kita sa mga sa mga millionaires. Bro, or ganun, sama ka lang sa akin, ganun, or what. Ganun talaga, or in business. Uy, bro, may nasaktan. Okay, yun lang. Okay, so yung ginagawa ko. That's how I do it. Kasi, madali kayo pag may car. Guys, goal nyo lagi mag-car. Kasi, that's the only way that you'll bring people. Okay? Kasi kung wala kayong car, then, mag-invite kayo, then magko-commit kayo, makikita nila ang hirap pala. Pero pag may car kayo, they will depend on you. And syempre, sama sila na sama talaga, ganun, hindi na sila mahirapan. No? Ano na lang, what you call this? Hati na lang kayo sa gas. Yung mahal ng gas. Ako din, nasasaktan ako eh. Yung 500 ko, dati 8 liters na yun, 5 liters na lang. Sakit. Pero yun, always goal nyo mag-car. Kahit electric, okay lang. Hybrid, okay lang. Diba? Car is a car, no? But yun yung goal nyo. As bata kayo, kahit 1 year dapat kayo sa IM, dapat hindi kayo papayag na wala kayong car. Ako, may car ako. It's a 7-seater car. So, I get to bring a lot of people. Kung marami, sige, dalhin ko yung van. Sige, dalhin ko yung van. Ganyan lang. Okay? Pero goal nyo magkaroon ng van. Okay? So, dahil doon, mas mapaparami kayo ng talks. I have that one mentor said, gusto nyo gumaling talaga when it comes to sales? The framework niya is TTMP. Talk to more people. As in, yun naman talagang ginagawa natin eh. It's basically sales. Okay? Basically sales lang ginagawa natin. So, we have to talk a lot of people. Okay? And, yun. That's how I invite a lot of people. That's how I talk to a lot of people. And, ayun yun. Talk to a lot of people. And that's it. Talaga. Yung kagandahan dito, no? Okay? Sige. I want to share something. Sige, okay lang ba? I want to have a situation. No? Just a sample lang. No? Gusto ko, invite nyo naman ako. Okay? Since nasabi ko naman yung framework, or at least itatama ko yung little tweaks ko, paano kayo mag-invite. Gusto ko malaman paano kayo mag-invite. Okay ba yun? Okay? Okay ba yun? Okay ba yun? Type 1 kung okay ba yun. Type 1 kung okay ba yun. Type 1. Type 1. Chat nyo. Mag-ano tayo? OTS. Dapat OTS invite to Mga OTS nyo on the spot. Yan, sige. Siyempre kayo rin, yung sila nag-off cam. Akiko, Alex, Ching, Aljin, and Shella. Ayun. And then, siyempre si Mentor Aljun na rin. Alright? Sige. So, let's start with, siyempre, mga kids. Yan. Sige. Sige. I will limit it to only 4 to 5 people lang. Okay? Para hindi tayo mag-consume ng time. Okay? Sige. Pipiliin ko yung, yung dalawa, magkasama. Yung magpinsan. Zaira, yan.
Mens, kunyari na lang ako yung kakausapin niya.
Hindi, Siemens Jello daw po.
Ako!
Sige, Mens, okay lang po.
Ako.
Go.
Sige.
Dito
Isolate
lang ako.
yourself.
Ako na po mauna, Mens.
Sige. Go.
Hi, Jello.
Yo, what's up? Kamusta?
Taga saan ka?
I'm from I'm from Las Piñas eh.
Las Piñas, okay. Student ka rin ba?
Yeah, wait. Yes, I'm definitely, I'm a student.
Okay. Actually, student din ako.
Okay.
Saan ka nag-aaral?
I'm from Lasal eh. I'm from Lasal.
Konyo boys ka pala. Kasi mga taga Lasal, sabi nila, yung mga konyo.
Yeah. I'm a bit konyo
Sabi,
Well, okay lang. Ano lang naman.
actually, Jello, sabi nila pag mga taga-Lasal daw, more on business course eh. Tama
What?
ba?
Right. We're number one in business kasi.
Okay. So, may mga na-handle kang business.
Yeah, I have a lot of businesses eh.
Sakto kasi balak din namin ako actually, may mga businesses din ako. Baka willing ka din ma-invite sa presentation namin business namin. Then, pwede mo siya i-check if ever may free time ka.
Okay. Sige.
Ayun. So, ayan po.
Okay, sige. Okay, cut. Okay, I'll give you a little tweaks, okay? Dapat
Sige po.
unahin nyo. You guys have to compliment. Oy bro, ang ganda ng jacket mo ah. Saan mo yung binili? Ganon.
Okay.
Approachin mo ako, di kita kilala. Ba't ako pupunta sa'yo? Hindi kita kilala eh. Diba? So I have
Nice.
to... Oh, sige. Ako naman. Sige. Pa-testing lang ah. Okay. I'll test it on yung si Zaira. I'll test it on Zaira. Okay. Sige. Nasa Makati ako. Ganun. Sige. Uy, bro. Yo, I like your jacket. What's your jacket?
Wow, thanks. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Pero it
Ano
looks
siya?
nice,
Oh.
di ba?
Japan. Have you been to Japan na ba?
Yeah. No, actually, no. I dream to.
Dream to. Okay. Anong gusto mong punta? Punta na ako sa Japan. Especially, ang ganda doon.
Wow.
I hope na, sumama ka din sa amin. Sa Japan.
Wow.
Oo, kasi in our, in our organization, pumupunta talaga kami Japan. I hope na makasama ka rin. No, so, question, no? Oh, yeah. Question, taga dito ka ba sa Makati?
Yes, I reside here in Makati.
Oh, you reside here in Makati. You still studying? Saan school ka?
I study at University of Makati, actually.
Oh, okay. What's your course?
Actually, tawag dito. I study Bachelor of Science in Psychology.
Oh, what year?
I'm a graduating student.
Wow! Naku, baka basahin mo yung mind eh. Naku, it's dangerous pala eh. Joke lang. Okay, yan. No, grabe no. Actually, if you're from psychology, no? Kamusta naman dyan? Do you have any, works to do ba? Ano ba yung ginagawa mo usually? Besides
As
school?
a psych student kasi, besides school,
Mm-mm.
actually, wala naman. Kasi ang hobbies ko lang naman siguro is, ayun nga, magbasa ng books. Dahil
Mahilig ka
nire-require
ba?
sa school.
Yes, definitely. Ano yung favorite mga
Talaga?
psychology books mo?
Actually, yung favorite ko is yung Theories of Personality.
Oh, marami akong personality eh. Dami ba? Okay. Yan, sige. And actually, sakto you're from Makati. Kasi ako, introduce ko na I'm Jello. No, grabe, ang
Yes.
ganda lang sa jacket mo. I really like your jacket. Baka, I really like your jacket. Basta mo binili if ever? Question. Baka,
Oh, thank you. I like yours
oh
too.
really? Ang ganda, where mo binili pala?
Actually, it's it's from my boyfriend kasi.
Oh, wow, so sweet. Galing pa siya sa Japan, no? For sure.
Diba? I know, right?
Wow, come
Hindi,
on,
galing nasa
that's...
sa ukay. So,
ukay. Okay, I love ukay din also. I like ukay talaga eh. No, very cheap pero very maganda.
diba?
No?
Very saving ng
Yeah,
money.
agree. Yeah, since you're from Makati, actually you're from Makati. Actually, I've been roaming around and finding people who are actually into business. Kasi in Makati kasi naghahanap ako ng business partner in Makati. Baka may kakilala ka.
Oh,
Yeah, baka may...
I have a lot of friends.
Oh, really? You have a lot of friends. Okay. Is it okay if
Yes.
I could
Ako
share?
din, actually,
Is
really
it okay?
interested in
Okay. Is it okay if I could share it sa'yo? So that I could,
Oh, sure, yes.
sige.
Yes.
Sige. Let's do it. You wanna do it, tomorrow? Sige. When are free? Weekends or weekdays?
Okay, sure. We can do weekends naman.
Weekends. Okay, sige.
Since
Saturday
walang
or Sunday?
pasok. Yes.
Oh, tama, tama. Ako rin. Very hectic yung
Saturday.
schedule. Saturday, sige. Afternoon or evening?
Yes.
Afternoon or evening?
Actually, we can do afternoon.
Sige,
Afternoon.
sure. I'll get your socials na lang. Sige, we could link up na lang and we can go around in Makati and stuff like
Okay,
that.
sure.
Talk about it. Then afternoon, sige, I'll just check my schedule. Okay, andito na yung FB mo. Okay, sige. Let's do it around 3 p.m. Siguro near na lang sa Makati. We could do ano ba dyan? Ba malapit dyan? Are there schools? Yeah, we could do it online kung gusto mo. Baka busy ka on Saturday.
Oh, that's nice if online
Yeah,
then,
sige,
since
sige,
convenient.
let's go Saturday
Yes.
afternoon, right? 3 p.m.
Yeah, that's
online.
cool.
Sige, I'll just chat you the
Yeah.
schedules. Okay, sige.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much. Sige, nice meeting you
Thank
so much.
you.
What's your name again? Syra, right?
My name is Zaira and it's
Okay.
nice meeting you as well.
I'm Jello. Nice meeting you. Thank you so much for your time. Okay,
Oh,
sige.
very welcome.
I'll just go roam around lang. Thank you so much.
Thank
So
you so
nakita nyo?
much.
So nakita nyo? It's natural. Small talk, una nyo yung small talk. You guys need to have a common ground on them. Common ground dapat. Hindi pa pwede, alam ko hindi na business, presentation. Hindi ganun. You need to build up your connections first. Gusto ko matuto yung mga connections nyo. Dapat ganun. That's how you connect. That's how you properly network. Para sa akin, that's the most ethical way to network. Okay? Laging goal nyo dito is not to gain money but rather to help them. And that is our goal. Alam nyo ba, ang the best sellers talaga dito sa buong mundo are doctors. You know why? They never sell. They always consult. They always consult. They always ask the right questions. And 'di ba syempre, kaya nakabenta sila kasi nga may ganyan sila. Okay? Yan. Sige nga, can we do, sige, Cedrics.
Hello, Mens.
Yan, sige. Alright? Kaya mo ba? Okay.
Ilang po,
Sige.
Mens.
Sige. I'm from Taft. Medyo matagal pala. Sige. May next naman ako, last one na lang. Sige. Ikaw, you're the second one.
Paano po ulit, Mens?
I don't know. Kumare, I'm your class. Kumare, I'm from Taft. Siguro your classmate. Okay? Architecture na rin. Or schoolmate. Sige. Go.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Wait lang po, Mens. Can you give me a scenario nga po ulit, Mens po?
Let's say I'm just nasa ko. Business ako, nasa business business branch or what. And I'm like your good friend. Okay? I'm like your good friend. Okay? Sige. Go.
Hey, bro.
Yo, what's up?
Nice
Kumusta?
meeting you again. It's been a long
Kamusta?
time.
Been a long time talaga.
Yeah.
Grabe school.
How's school, bro?
Very hectic.
Wow, me
Especially,
too.
ito talaga, gusto ko talaga business. Di ba, are you from architecture, di ba?
Yeah. I am married.
Grabe, magaling ka mag-drawing, bro. Tsaka ruler, ganun.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Yeah.
Okay, gets. No, kamusta naman? Bakit ka na napatanong?
I'm also starting a small business.
Oh, talaga? You're starting your own
Yeah.
business? Grabe. Nasa business ako eh. Oh,
Yeah,
talaga.
that's why I would like to ask you about the business. I know you're more open the opportunity than me.
Tama. Especially ako kasi I'm in business. I really want to start a business.
Yeah. So, are you open for are you open for scheduling for for business?
Yeah, sure.
We could schedule it that. So,
Hmm.
when are you free?
Di ko alam eh.
Okay.
Yan na.
Ayun, Benz. Doon ako nahirapan, Benz.
Yan. Never say open ka. Never say open ka. Uy, nasa las... Uy, hello. Yun, si mentor Hi. Grabe. May diamond mentor tayo. Yan, sige. Sige. Ganito, Sandrix. Never say open ka. Always say, always two choices yan eh. Weekends or weekdays. It's always that. Or this week or next week. Whenever kayo magsasabi, open ka ba dito? Or, when ka ba open? Never say that. Why? Kasi you get to think about it. Ayaw ng client mag-isip masyado. They like choices eh. Ako, katulad niyan, ayoko ng identification eh. Gusto ko ng multiple choice. 'Di ba? Ano mas madali? Multiple choice or identification?
Multiple choice.
Multiple choice. So now, syempre, yun yung pipiliin mo. Yung multiple choice. Ngayon, um, that's what we're gonna do. Okay? Always ask me, weekends or weekdays? Pagtapos ng weekend, kumare, sige, ganito. Sige, ulitin natin. Go to the scheduling. Sige, sabi mo sa akin.
Pa-
Go.
Instead, ano yung pulit yun, Benz? Instead of weekends po ba dapat?
Weekends or weekdays? Ganon.
Tapos yung sa entry po nun, always give them choices po ba yun?
Yes. Never say open ka. Never say na ganon. When ka open, sabihin nila, hindi ako sure eh. Ayaw nila mag-isip. Ako, ayaw ko mag-isip.
So,
Ayaw ko mag-isip eh. Ikaw yung may, dapat magaling ka schedule.
okay.
So, ganun. Sige, go.
So, can I have your attention for, wait lang. Ano ba tamang wording po dun?
Ano?
It's
Sige, ganito. Nasimulan mo ako sa business. Ano ba yung tanong mo?
kung pwede kong makuha yung time for weekends or weekdays.
Depende yun sa'yo. I'm not the one. Tatanungin mo dapat ako kung kailan ako. Kasi, lahat depende sa'yo eh. 'Di ba? Lahat depende
Opo.
sa'yo. Si Mentor Stephen, no? Grabe. So, lahat depende sa'yo. Hindi pwede na it will depend on me. Yes, the schedule will be allocated to me, but you should be dapat kinokontrol. Ang galing nga ikaw eh, kinontrol mo ako agad eh. Alam mo na sa business ako eh. Meron ako starting business na intrigue ako. Talaga, architecture ka pero may business ka. Ako walang business. Siyempre, tanong ako. Kulang na lang sa scheduling. See? So, ngayon, ask mo lagi. Weekends or weekdays? Saturday, pag weekends, Saturday or Sunday? Ganun, sasabihin ko Sunday. Sige, afternoon or evening? Ganun, sige. Ikaw na magsiset ng time. Kasi, that's where you're available eh. Sasabihin ko, 1 p.m. di ka pala available. Ikaw magde-depend yan. Diba? Na yun, Cedric. Cedric ba? Cedrics?
Cedric's po.
Okay, sige, go.
Hey, are you available on weekends or weekdays? Hindi mo ba?
Ah,
Wait
yeah.
lang.
Ito, ulit. Last mo sinabi, okay ka ba for scheduling? Sabi ko, oo. Sige bro, weekends or weekdays? Diretso agad.
Okay.
Go.
So, are you okay for scheduling for
Yeah.
weekends
Yeah,
or
good.
weekdays?
Weekdays.
Okay. So, we can set that on Monday. Are you already?
Monday? I'm not sure. Monday lang ba available sa'yo?
We can do also, Monday until to Friday.
Oh. Again, take note, always have two choices. Pag weekdays, dapat stuck kayo. Either Monday or Friday. Ganon. Like Saturday or Sunday, Monday or Friday. Wednesday or Friday. Ganon. Thursday or Tuesday. Ganon lagi. Kasi you'll be the one who's controlling eh. Okay? Kasi hindi ako pwede sa Monday. Oh. Isip pa ako. Ayoko mag-isip. Again, ayaw ng customers or ayaw nila mag-isip. Again. Scheduling
Oh,
na to scheduling to.
that.
Go. Ulit,
Ah,
from schedule. Kung gusto, open ka ba sa schedule? Yan.
Open ka ba for schedule?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Why not?
Weekends or weekdays?
Weekdays, bro Weekdays.
Okay. So, Monday or Thursday?
Monday or Thursday? I think Thursday. Thursday.
All right. So, let's go, meet at the today. Pag ganun,
Kulang. Afternoon or evening?
after,
Yan.
okay.
Sige. Sulat nyo daw. Sulat nyo.
Nag-take down
Weekends
ako
or
sa comment.
weekdays? Weekends or weekdays? Okay? Pag weekend, syempre dalawa lang yon, Saturday or Sunday. Pag weekdays, sulat nyo ano yung pinaka-available nyo. Okay? Dalawa lang. Then, afternoon or evening. Okay? Sige. Ulit. Sige. Oras. Tanong muna ako sa oras. Sige. Sa afternoon or evening.
Afternoon or evening?
Ano ako bro May pasok kasi tingnan ko. Afternoon maybe?
Afternoon, nice. So, I can schedule with other mentors. Ganun ba? No. Ganun ba?
Sige. Ganito. Isa pa ulit. Ulit. Again. Never ako nagsasabi ng mentor. Take note.
Okay.
Again, never ako nagsasabi ng mentor. It's a trigger. Trigger siya. Isa siyang trigger. Coach. Yan. Or, bro, sige. Dapat, pag nagpre-present kayo, it's your own business. Sabi mo may business ka. Iisip ko yung business mo. Sige bro, sige. I'll let you schedule. Huwag ka muna sasabihin na may papatok ka. Sabi mo, introduce mo na lang siya. Pag nasa presentation na. Ganon. Ngayon, pag sinabi ko afternoon, again, two choices ulit. Dapat very clear ang time natin. Sige afternoon, sige. 3 p.m. or 5 p.m.? Hindi ako available dyan mga 4:30 pa yung labas ko I mean 5, mga 6 p.m. pa labas. Mga mga 2 p.m. ako lalabas pero may ako gagawin sa sa 4 p.m. Sige bro, we could do around 2:30. Okay lang ba yun para sa'yo? Sige, ganun lang. Okay? So that's how you schedule. Sige, okay na yan. Na-take note nyo na yan, no? Okay,
Yes.
at least alam nyo na next time. Yan.
Thank you, men.
Ano pala to? Thesis. Yan. Thesis
Galing nyo, men.
pala to. May questions ka? Baka may questions ka, Cedric? Wala naman. Sige.
Nanote ko na po lahat.
Sige. Sa dulo na yung questions, Sige. Last one, si Daniel daw. Yan.
Go, Daniel.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Sige, go.
Yung scenario ba like parang friending kita, something like that?
Wait, sorry.
Sige.
Nag-chat kasi si Mentor May. Si Shirley May, oh. Shirley May.
Oh.
Wow.
Yan, sige. Alright.
Yung scenario ba like, friending kita ganun?
Yan, syempre.
Sige.
Sige, gusto mo hindi mo ako friend.
Hindi, okay lang. Okay, sige wait lang. Ayun.
Okay. Sige po.
Bro, kamusta ka?
Yo, bro, I'm good.
Lagi ang angas ng jacket mo. It's been a while.
Damn, bro. I like my jacket, bro. Good talaga.
Lagi
Goods,
where you
goods,
get it
goods.
ba?
Ha?
Angas nga. Where you get it? Ang angas.
Kinuha ko lang sa dad ko, pinahiram lang sa akin eh. Kinda cool, kinda
Oh,
cool.
actually looking for something like that. Kasi I'm actually saving up. Speaking of, di ba business-related course yung tinitake mo ngayon?
Again, sorry?
You're taking a business-related course, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, kasi actually I'm just been roaming around here in Makati and na-stumble upon kita and ikaw naalala ko eh. Sabi ko, what if daan ako sa'yo? And then nakita kita saktong-sakto. And
Okay. Coincidence,
I actually have, so actually I'm looking some business partners around in this place na Makati and I actually remember you. So I'm wondering, are you free around like after lunch? We're gonna go to Yardstick, you know.
Yeah, if you know, you know lang eh. Afternoon,
Yeah.
if you know, yardstick.
Yeah.
Yung yardstick pare, yung yardstick.
Yeah.
Afternoon, when?
Actually today,
Today,
I'm
afternoon. After
yeah.
lunch, I'll check my schedule.
Yeah.
I'm kind of busy kasi today eh.
Oh, actually, I also have another session for tomorrow, and actually, I'm also have scheduled with other people that looking for business partners, and I could hit you up if you're still interested.
Yeah,
So
I'm
yeah,
down, I'm down.
yeah, yun lang. Nawala ako.
Okay. Sige. Nakulang lang sa follow-up. Kulang lang.
Yeah, sa follow up.
Nakuha mo
Yeah,
na.
yeah, yeah.
Nakuha mo na. As in, ang ganda nun. Nakuha
Yeah.
mo na. Kumbaga ganito. Sige, sabi mo, hectic yung schedule ko eh. Uy bro, sige,
Yeah.
we could do it tomorrow. Tomorrow na lang. Sige,
Yeah,
I might be free tomorrow. Sige, afternoon na, yardstick na lang. Ganun.
yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Ganun. Ano mo na, yeah, sure. Tomorrow na lang. Kung ano ba. Or tomorrow. Kung hindi tomorrow, ano ba? When ka ba free? Weekends or weekdays? Ganon.
Hmm.
Laging yung dedepend sa weekends or weekdays. Ganon lagi. Kung baga, hindi talaga pwede, weekends or weekdays. Doon mo yung tatanong. Okay?
Yes, man. Thank you.
Yun, no? And then, ano pa? Yun. Ang maganda. Parang friend mo lang ako. Hindi mo ako pinilit. That's good. Yun lang. Better, galingan niyo yung skill of scheduling. Yun yung kailangan. Kasi, iba yung, you have to take control of your clients. You have to take control. Kumbaga, dapat ikaw nagko-control ng conversation, not the other way around. Alright? So, parang makita nila na dominante ka, na you take responsibility. How come I'll follow you pag ganito? Diba? Ganun lang yun. Sige. You guys have questions pa? Si Bal, naman si Leo naman. Para naka-on kami. Sige, si Leo naman. Mentor Leo, come on. Alam mo ba, kapangalan mo dad ko. My dad is Leo. Alam mo bakit Jello? Geraldine, yung Lo is my dad's name. Leo, Lo, Jello. Tatay kita. Sige, go Leo, let's go. I'm your friend. Sige, I'm your friend. Lord drop. Lord drop. If you know, you know.
Medyo ba ako kinakabahan?
Huwag kang kabahan. Relax. I'm your friend. I'm your friend.
April. April, tagal na tayo hindi nagkikita.
Oh, bro. Like, tagal na.
Last lang kita nakita nung last year lang noon ah.
Oo nga. Tagal. Last year yun. Last year. Wala na. Nawala na. Nahiya na. Nasa labas lang.
Tumatawa yung kuya.
Mens, kung nakikita niyo po sa video ni Cedrix, nasa likod niya po si Leo. Kaya
Ayun.
tumatawa po sila.
Ikaw pala yun. Ano kayo magpinsan?
Magkakapatid po kami.
Sige, practice kayo magkapatid. Magkapatid pala kayo. Yan. Hindi pala kayo eh. Magsabi naman kayo. Sige. Ayan, nagsabi ka. Tawa ako dun ah. Okay, guys. Kayo, same kayo, Jove. Insane family lore. Magpinsan, magkapatid. Hindi ko alam, magpinsan pala kayo. Hindi, magkapatid pala. Pero eto, natuto ka naman, Leo, sa sa kuya mo ba siya?
Opo.
Yun pala eh. Magkapatid. Okay, sige. Yan, okay. Dalawang pogi. Yan. Okay, sige. Do you guys have any more questions? Wala na. No, sayang. Iabuso niyo na ako. Dito na ako eh. Sige. Go.
Sir Cedrix, baka may tanong po, Mens.
Yan. Sige, go Cedrix. None na po, Mens. Okay, sige. Yung mga
Ito daw po, Mens. Yung
Yan,
katabi
sige.
ko po.
Go. Sige, yung katabi
Mens,
mo.
question lang po. Ano po?
Sige.
Galing po ba kayo sa business family? Na business-oriented yung family?
Yep. Ang kapatid ko works for Josh Mojica. He also business na rin, which is a production house naman, which called Redac Labs. Yung kagandahan dito, where dad ko is in the salon industry. Mom ko, kakabukas lang, may franchise na rin, Carrot Fries. And also, meron kaming dalawa, cafe sa Tagaytay, near Alfonso. So, dun mo nagra-run dun. And, ayun, lahat na kami nasa business side. So, parang halos lahat kami
Nice.
wala kami sa
Kasi
bahay. Ayun, so, halos lahat nasa business side kami. How to invite a random people. Sige, mamaya, si Leo muna. Okay na ba yun, Sarah, pinsan?
Opo.
Carl
Curious kasi
ba?
ako, Mens, kasi DJ po.
parehong CJ kasi sila, Mens.
Curious kasi po ako, Mens, dahil sabi niyo po, may mga kumbaga yung system po kasi is may nag-guide po ba sa inyo, ganun. Kaya gusto ko po malaman actually. Ayun po.
Yun, basically, tao ko lang, yung family ko lang, yun nang nagtuturo nun. Yung family ko lang yung nagtuturo sa lahat, especially, hindi na naturo, but rather pinapakita lang nila what's their work ethic and sa business. Wala naman kaming, dito naman, basta may business lang kami. Yung mahalaga dito kasi, supply and demand. Ang gusto ng tao, maganda yung hair. Si dad na bahala doon. That's the supply. Supply and demand lang. Ganun. More, okay na? Clear? Clear
Yes,
na? Clear? Okay,
Mens,
sige.
clear.
Si naman, Mentor Leo.
May question po ako sa inyo. As a 14-year-old po, what's the best advice or pwede niyo po bigyan?
14 years old? Network. Have many friends as you like. As in, damihan mo yung friends mo.
Ah,
Yun lang. Wag mo muna sila bentahan or what, but push mo sila, maging friends mo muna kayo. Kunin mo lahat ng IG nila, kunin mo lahat ng Facebook nila, then through content, dun mo sila inggitin. O talaga, for ikaw, kasi you generate 10,000 na agad. O paano yan? O, sila na lalapit sa'yo.
okay po.
Promise, huwag mo silang pilitin. Through content lang, o nag-earn ka, pakita mo yung pera. Yun, make friends as much as possible. Especially mga students dyan. Make friends as much as possible. Legit. The best way to push for them is for them to know you is through marketing or through content marketing.
Okay po.
Attraction marketing is key. Okay? Do you have more questions, Leo?
Wala
Tsaka
na.
network is everything kasi hindi mo malaman yung kaklase mo pala is baka si the next president of the Philippines. You may never know. You may never know. It's like the box of chocolates. You may never know what you'll get kasi meron sila mga person. Malay mo, sila pala yung SK na pala, mataas ang posisyon Pag nag-present ka na, madali na. 'Di ba? Make friends as many as possible. Wag niyo muna goal is bentahan sila.
Okay po.
Make connections. Yun yung advice ko. Kasi that's what I did. Dami na rin ako. Then it's so worth it talaga. So worth it. Okay? So yun. Make friends, make connections first. Kaya sinabi ko sa inyo guys, 'di ba? Inuna ko muna sa inyo yung common ground. Ganun mag-make friends. Ganun oy, ganda ng ano mo. Ganun, dun na nagsisimula ang friendship. Ganun. Ganun lang yun. Then, pag nakita nila story mo, uy bro, ano yung ginagawa mo? Di ba? Schedule lang tayo. Sige bro, usap tayo. Schedule kita. Sige bro, bukas na lang. Gusto mo bukas usap tayo? Sige bro. Ganun.
Okay po.
Di na kailangan yung pinakamahaba. Yun lang. Okay?
Opo.
Sige. Random, Akiko. Random person. How do you invite? Like what I said. Yun lang yung structure nun. You need to find a common ground. Know their interest. You have to know their interest. So talaga, sige, I get your Facebook. Usap-usap lang kayo. Usap-usap lang kayo. Then, yun, in life ba, do you have work ba? Do you have business ba? Ganon. Ano yung business mo? Ganon, tanong mo rin. Maging curious. As in, dapat ang goal nyo, mapasalita sila ng marami. Dapat 80% sila nagsasalita and 20% nagtatanong ka. Ganun dapat yun. People love to ask about what they love. Legit yun. Ako nga, napapa-close deal lang ako pag tinatanong lang nila ano yung ganun, susupport na ako agad. Sige. Ganun lang yun. Okay? I recommend follow Daniel G. Yung mga famous na salesperson. I would recommend din also isang famous na restaurant owner. Yung potentially your first time. I recommend you come into my restaurant, better view of the menu. So no commitment. Ganun. No commitment. Just so that, and then explain niya na yung mga menu. Ganun. So if you want to grab the drink, kahit tinignan lang nila yung menu, isip niya, is potential customer siya. At potential benta. Ganun. Kaya lagi mong isipin, common ground. Ano yung nasa isip nila? Yun. Kaya, katulad na, Zaira, nasa psychology ka. Gamitin mo yan. I use psychology. Always. I always do psychology. Every day is psychology. The way I talk, the way I close, everything is psychology. Diba? Ikaw nga, Zaira, napa-close deal ko nga ikaw eh. Napatok nga kita eh. Napa-invite nga kita eh. Pero, it's seamless. Tama? Hindi siya pilit. Hindi mo alam na I am pala. Diba? Hindi mo alam. Ganun yun. Maganda ba, yung framework na binigay ko? Salita daw.
Yes, mens. Maganda
Diba?
po.
Ano yun? Sige. Okay na? You guys have more questions?
Nan po.
Okay. Yun na, yung random people, ano lang yun? Yung, common ground, invite, then, yun na, talk a lot, and then, invite mo na, oh, I have a meron din ako business. Pag ano business mo? I'm actually I distribute, health products here in the Philippines. And actually, naghahanap ako ng business partner here in the Philippines. And especially in this place. Taga dito ka ba? No, I'm from, Pangasinan. Talaga, sakto naghahanap talaga ako sa Pangasinan. O, ganun lang. O, sige. Usap nga tayo doon. Tapos.
Dapat voice ko kasi.
Vary? Hello, Vary?
Hello, Mens.
Yes?
Mens, may tanong lang ako about
Go.
sa kasi how you convince a person na kunyari close-minded na siya sa parang close na yung utak na sa ano ba tawag doon? Market
Close-minded na.
na networking dati kasi may trauma na siya sa networking dati parang ganun.
Okay. Ganito lang. Since siya yung gusto mo ma-close deal, right? Isama mo lang sa community. Hey bro, sama ka lang sa akin. Ganun lang. Then makikita niya lang yung mga tao or what. Never push them to sell. Never push them to benta. Kasi sinasayang mo lang energy mo. Let the other people be the testimony na maganda ang ginagawa natin. Testimony is also the best way to close them a deal. So, sama mo lang sa akin, sama mo yung mga kabataan, ganun. Ganun lang. Uy bro, sama ka sasabihin na networking, ganun. Pag let's say ganito, nasa, ginagawa ko kasi, iniinggit ko na lang sila. Ganun. Or rather, uy bro, punta ka sa event ko. Ganun lang. Kasi I have a lot of businesses. Alright? So, Carrot Fries, I host events. Meron din akong website. Meron din, for business ko, yung sa house. Business ko, Carrot Fries. Marami na rin. And then, meron akong membership business pa. So, ganun lang yun. So, sama lang sa event. Kumari, may gathering kayo. Isama mo. Kumari, may gala kayo. Isama nyo. Ganun lang. Then makikita nyo, ang ganda pala ng community. O sige nga, gusto ko sumali sa community nyo eh. Tapos, nawala na ang trauma. Nawala na ang close deal.
Doon ka na makaka-hit mark na, Mens.
Oo. Na yun eh, close deal mo na eh. Pag ikaw lumapit, binebentan mo, alam na nila na networking eh. Alam na nila. So, ang gagawin mo, disguise mo as gala. Uy bro, gala tayo.
Chill lang. Parang
Papakilala kita sa mga friends ko. Papakilala kita sa friends ko. Talaga? Sige, sama ako. Sa BGC tayo. Tara, pakilala kita. Tapos, then hindi mo malaman, close deal. Nung nag-usap na sila, na close deal ng kaibigan mo. Di nga, sali na nga ako. Tapos,
ayun lang naman, Mens. Thank you, man.
ganun lang yun. Very basic lang. You guys don't have to complicate things sa IM kasi sobrang simple lang. You guys need to have the right, right curiosity. Okay? Kasi, alam mo na, when they hear IM or they say networking, they always know na. Okay? Tsaka, isama-sama mo lang. Kunwari, hindi naman kailangan niya siya magbayad eh. Sige, i-invite mo lang. Ganun lang yun eh. Yun naman yung goal. At saka yung goal dito, palakihin yung community. It's not all about exclusivity here. Palakihin yung community. Don't gatekeep yung mga samaan nyo. Isama nyo siya. Isama nyo lang. Yun lang. Go, Daniel.
Thank you, man.
Kasi you mentioned na we're growing in a community. So for you, kasi you have your team, the movement. I'm wondering, how do you manage your team, especially for youngsters nila? And
Naku, maalaga ako. Ako yung kuya nila eh. Pero how do you, syempre, ikaw yung tinitignan eh. How do you manage? You need to assort dominance. Pakita mo rin na, ano rin, kumikita ka. Pakita mo rin na, minsan ilibre-libre mo lang. Sige, libre ko na. Sige, ice cream tayo, treat ko na. Talaga? Sige. Ganun lang yun. Then, sama-sama mo lang. Tsaka don't worry, Daniel. People don't have to depend on you. Dapat may kasama kang mentor na mataas and sila na bahala doon. Kasi they will listen to that. Okay? Kaya andito tayo eh. We're actually mutes in IG and I'm curious when I see your story, lol. Really? Ano IG mo?
Ian Slips.
Wait. Sige. Ano? Ian? What's the spelling? Kian. Kian. Wala. Wala. Ito ba? Ikaw pala to! Ikaw pala to!
Yeah.
Pero nasa IM ka na nung finalo mo ako.
Yeah. Actually, I found out about you dahil kay Menschella.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mentor Shella. So actually, share ko lang. Kala ko wala ka sa IM eh. Kaya nag-hello ako. Invite ko niya sana. Pero, galing. Kasi, ano eh, ang ganda ng ano mo, ng profile mo. Wait, you're the one who's doing the Lego mga film. Ikaw ba yun?
Yeah. That was me.
You're doing do you have a YouTube channel ba? Or
Yeah, actually.
you do parodies of movies ba? Using
No,
Lego?
actually just do skits, ganun. Mga unboxing.
Wow. Respect, bro. Respect. I respect your work. Galing. You love Lego? No, I love Lego. I respect your work. Nice. Ikaw pala yun. Wow. Galing. Hindi ko inakala na I am member ka. Grabe, galing. Hands-on clap. I'm proud. Proud. Yun yung kagandahan. Like, di ko alam na I am siya eh. Diba? Dapat ganun. Dapat sarili nyo, tingin sa'yo as business owner lang. Tingin nyo, di alam. Men's question, how do you handle na ganun kadaming business? Eto yon. I have people. Okay? And yung kagandahan dito, I leverage them. Ang IM kasi, you can use IM in different kinds of businesses. Kung sa pag-host, ganun. You can leverage that. Ginagawa ko kasi, tinatago ko yung IM through those businesses. Tinatago ko, sa pag-invite, tinatago ko siya as event ko siya. Ganun. It's like a wrapper. Ganun lang. Kaya, na-handle ko sila. At saka yung kagandahan dito, hawak ko yung oras ko. Hindi naman kailangan na, pero maintain ko yung IM. Pero, kung may event ako, tapat ko sa business ko. Tsaka, yung kagandahan dito, it's not work. Kaya, na-handle ko siya. Hindi naman kailangan hands-on ganun. Doon, you need to have people talaga. Okay? Do you guys have any more questions pa? Ano? Ano pa?
Cedric, meron pa daw.
Like
Tapusin.
scheduling po, Mens. Paano po kayo mag-schedule? Like habits, ganun po. Paano nyo na-handle yung ganun? Curious lang po.
Paano ko nasi-schedule yung mga works ko? Kunwari, school. Unahin ko muna school. Tatapusin ko talaga school. Never doubt. Never, tatapusin ko muna school. Pagtapos ng school, yun na. Gagawa na ako ng ano. Here's the thing. Most of our time, we're at our phone. Right? So, imbes na nagpo-phone na lang ako, I am. Kunwari, maraming tanong ko imbes na pang leisure time ko to, siguro 1 hour yung break. Then, work na ako. Ganun. No excuses. Work. As in, that's the mindset. And, the reason why, eto na yung laro ko eh. This is my game. I don't even play games so much. Seryoso, tinatanggal ko yung game sa akin. When every time I'm playing, nawawalan ako ng gana. Lagi ko yung sayang sa oras, imbes na oras ko pag gumawa ng pera, nasasayang oras ko dito. 'Di ba? Or pwede naman maglaro. Okay? Kumbaga, just for resting, for dopamine lang. Pero, yun yung mindset ko, okay? I'm not saying na you guys apply that, baka kailangan nyo. But, for me, hindi ako nagiging happy, I'm not contented when I'm playing games. Yun lang. Okay? Yun. So, to be honest, it's not a problem of time. Oh, we have school. Oh, tatapusin natin yan. It's the matter of how could we divert distraction to production. Yun. Kasi, to be honest, most of our time is in the distraction. Yun. Kaya na-handle ko yung oras ko. Always schedule your stuff. Okay, sige, this particular hour, I'll work. Alam niyo yung Pomodoro? Yung Pomodoro, ano kayo? Yung Pomodoro kayo, 15 minutes, o rest, o 30 minutes, o ganyan. 15 minutes, o 30 minutes, o 15, 30, 15, 30, 15, 30. Yan lang. Ito, what I'm doing. Ito, parang pahinga ko nga lang to eh. Kasi, it's the thing I love. Talking to people. Nawawala ang gana pag wala akong kausap na tao. Tsaka, it depends on the personality. Kasi extrovert ako eh. Alam mo yun naman, in psychology, extrovert, introvert, di ba may mga ganon? Yung energy namin is from talking to people. Yun yung energy namin. Di ba? Paano naman mga introvert? Pakausap nyo sa iba. Yan lang. Pero to be honest, nawawalan din ako ng social battery. Pero lang, basta pag nawala yung social battery, maglaro kayo. Or mag-scroll kayo. Ganun lang. More questions? Wala na? All goods na? Contented na lahat?
No more questions?
None naman.
Meron
Thank
no
you
more
so much.
questions now? Okay na?
Okay na, mentors?
Okay. Sige.
You mentor
9:22. Malilate na. Sige.
Yes.
I have school to do pa. May tatapusin pa ako.
Oh my. Sige, men. Super thank you sa time mo. And before to end this session, can we have a closing prayer?
Sure. Who'll pray?
I'll do the praying na lang po.
Sir, men, please.
Yeah. So, in the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. Heavenly Father, we thank you for the time we've spent together today, for the clarity of mind, creative energy that flowed through this session. We are grateful for the opportunity to grow. Thank you to Mentor Jello for having us here to learn and to work toward our goals with purpose. As we conclude, we ask for you to continue your guidance. May the ideas we've developed and the plans we've set in motion flourish and bring positive impact to those we serve. I pray this to you in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. The Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
Thank you, Ms. Kian. Thank you, Mentor Jello, for your time. Can we have
Thank you,
picture?
Mens.
Friends, thank you po.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much,
much.
guys. Thank you so
Thank you
much
po,
for
Thank you po,
having me.
See you soon, Mens.
Yan, picture daw tayo. Picture daw.
Picture. Be signed. Another one. Thank you, Mens. Thank you.
Oh, picture ulit. I'll picture in my my iPad.
Ay, sure, please.
Para group yan. 3, 2, 1. Yan, okay na po.
Thank you.
Thank you so much talaga for your time. No, I'm hoping you guys to push through. There, I hope na ma-apply niyo yung mga techniques na ginagawa ko as a student. At saka ganito, share ko lang, no, when you're sharing a business presentation, wag masyadong maraming students. Only 1 to 2 people lang. Alright? Hindi na yung technique. Okay? Alam niyo kung saan galing yun? Sa Blue Diamond natin. Blue
Wow.
Diamond Mentor. Okay? Kay Coach
Thank you,
RJ.
Mens.
Yun, close ko yun si Coach RJ.
Oh, thank you,
Yun.
Mens. Mens,
Okay.
Thank
we
you,
are
men.
Thank you po.
super
Thank
daming
you,
learn.
Mens.
Thank you.
Thank
See
you,
you.
Ay,
men.
thank you, sir, Coach Aljun.
Thank you, Mens
Ay, mga
Aljun.
diamond,
Thank you, Mens
mga,
Aljun.
Thank you po,
mga
Mens
diamond
Aljun.
mentors.
Hi, Mens.
Nalobat
Mga
na siya.
diamond mentors, thank you so much.
Bye,
Thank
Mens.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you
Bye,
so much
Mens.
po.
Thank you.
Sige. Okay. May tip, baka may ma'am pa kayo, Okay. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Sir Kian.
Hello,
Nawala.
ma'am.
Oo. Paano yung record?
Ay, o nga pala. Click nyo yung end, ma'am. Try nyo po i-click, tapos mag-end na po siya.
Galing talaga ni Dito Rocampo.
Tapos, na-record na yun, sir, sa ano
Yes,
natin,
ma'am.
Zoom.
Opo.
Okay. Ito
Sir
may
Barry, ang ganda ng tanong mo, Sir Barry.
Ayaw pa tanongin ni Akiko, boss.
Feeling
Ganda
ko
ng
kasi
tanong mo,
Mama Kiko nagtanong nun eh. Kasi